Hey you guys, I hope all is well with you all. Look at that delicious raw okra salad. Doesn't it look amazing? It is amazing. This is spicy okra salad. It has, this is baby kale. The greens are baby kale, purple onions, fresh okra. I have some hot sauce, that's my spice, some Tabasco sauce, sea salt, onion powders, garlic powders, fresh cracked black pepper. I think that's it. Oh, I want some thyme. I'm gonna put some thyme here. This is so delicious, you guys. I hope you guys try it out. This is a raw salad. And as you can see, it's not really slimy like that. So if I keep mixing and mixing, it will become slimy. So that's a way that you can eat it, you know, so it don't be slimy. But check that out. Wow. Yummy. Life. This is life food right here. 1,000 Roses. One love.